Hi Sarah, so it's like the tour is already end today. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling sad it's ended. I wanted to keep going. I really enjoyed so much. I can't explain. There's so much experiences, like from different areas we got to go to, like different terrains and different birds. So each day was unique, and each day we were lucky to see specific type of birds. And you guys helped teach me what are all about them, and helped me learn about the way they live. And yeah, it's like a surprise too. It was like a surprise.
Thanks. And
Thank
how
you,
was
Sarah.
the whole tour organized? How many species you got? How was the food?
I got many species of birds. It wasn't. It was. It was. The birds were amazing, but also the people. It wasn't just about this. It was the energy of the area. So we had like, when we were in near Panchachali, we had amazing food. Like it was spotted here too, but like it's very like specific regional food. So we had like charred okra, and we had amazing sabzi like chai. It's just hard, and then like to see the mountains and the birds, like the bearded griffin and the bearded vulture. It was like magical. Yeah, it's magical.
Thank you, thank you.
It's really great to hear this that you
And
really enjoyed.
Tragopan and Monal also we got.
Ah, the monol. Yeah, seen the monol a few times in different places, because we saw it in Naintal, crossing the road, and then we was in Mansouri, and near
Me and
Panchachari.
Munshari only it was.
It was
both
sat
the
on the
sightings,
rock
yeah.
here. I have a picture in the distance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. We were glad to host you, and it was nice to have you here.
I
Do you like this area?
I love it. This area
So do
here.
you recommend like other birders also?
I recommend-
How do you feel about this area and our hospitality?
The hospitality was amazing. Like I feel really at home. Obviously, I'm a solo traveler, so for me it's like a new thing. And I specifically picked you. I saw many different guides, and I could tell that you know a lot about what you're doing. And you also made me feel at home, your character, and also helped me feel comfortable in each area. And also, we guided me around, and we had adventures together. And it was magical to be together when we saw the golden eagle, like near Panchachali. That
Yeah,
was my
it was,
favorite. That was my
overwhelming for you.
favorite. Because we were just about to leave, so it was like the perfect ending, because we didn't get it the day before. And everyone was hosting us here was good, and the drivers. It's all perfect. Everyone should come and experience the different areas of Uttarakhand, because each region has its own unique, special character, as well as the birds.
So you
Yeah.
will suggest like international birders to
Yeah.
come North India also.
We need more people from the UK and America and everywhere to come here. Like, India isn't what you see on TV all the time. It's much more. It's very peaceful. The air was so fresh up in the mountains, and the food was very good, and the birds and the wildlife, it was very calm. It's not always busy. It's calm too, and very quiet and peaceful. I did meditation, and I had all of the mountains and the birds around me, and yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sarah,
for your
beautiful
feedback.
feedback.
Thank you.
Thanks. We are very happy.
Me too.
Yeah, we really enjoyed hosting you.
Thanks, Sarah.
Thank you so
welcome.
much.
Thank you so much, Sarah.